a state agency has informed Dolton Mayor Tiffany Henyard that her temporary appointee for Police Chief Ronnie Burge Sr. is not authorized to exercise law enforcement authority and has urged her to remove him from public service. During a village board meeting on November 6, Henyard appointed Burge to a temporary 30-day position as chief, despite trustees voting against the appointment. On November 8, the Illinois Law Enforcement Training and Standards Board issued a letter stating that Burge has been wearing a Dolton Police Department uniform and carrying a firearm publicly, although he is not authorized to do so. Henyard had previously attempted twice to appoint Burge as chief, leading some village trustees to file a lawsuit in Cook County Circuit Court to block the action. Burge, a former Dolton police chief, also served as chief in Harvey and Dixmoor. He ran for Dolton Mayor in 2021, but lost to Henyard. The Standards Board noted that Burge has been listed as inactive since April 30, 2021, and has not completed the required requalification to carry a firearm. The board learned of Henyard's appointment of Burge, but had not received an appointment form or request to waive his training. Until Dolton submits the necessary paperwork, Burge has no authority to make arrests or carry a firearm, and the board strongly encourages his removal from public service. Cook County Circuit Court Judge Thaddeus Wilson ruled on September 25 that Henyard did not follow proper procedures when she appointed Burge as chief, Michael Smith as village administrator, and Angela Lockett as village attorney. The judge invalidated Henyard's appointments at that time. At the November 6 meeting, Henyard cited her authority as chief executive to reappoint these individuals, along with naming McStephen Max Solomon as the village special counsel, all to 30-day posts. Solomon is representing Henyard in the lawsuit filed by trustees and in a separate eviction case involving a Dolton home allegedly rented by the mayor and a Thornton Township employee. Henyard also serves as Thornton Township supervisor. During the meeting, despite trustees voting against it, Henyard appointed Smith as executive assistant. The Police Standards Board's letter emphasized that Burge needs to undergo requalification to carry a firearm, which he has not done since May 2018. The letter also reminded Henyard of the necessity of conducting a thorough background check on Burge's criminal and employment history before making an appointment decision. Some trustees expressed concerns on November 6 about not receiving information from the mayor regarding the salaries of Burge and others, or whether background checks had been completed. A decision by Judge Wilson on November 7 stated that the position of executive assistant is not one the mayor is entitled to appoint, and the role of special counsel does not exist in Dolton. The judge noted that these appointments were not subject to the temporary restraining order granted to trustees in their lawsuit on September 25, but it was unclear if they could hold the jobs even temporarily. Wilson mentioned that Burge's 30-day appointment starting November 6 meets the terms of the temporary restraining order, but it was uncertain if this meant Burge could hold the position briefly. Attorneys representing trustees in their lawsuit challenging Henyard's appointments did not respond to requests for comment.